Okay, passing through there is a Voyager going to Stepford Central. Anyway, hello guys, and welcome back to another Trainspotting Mayhem, and today I am at the London Underground station of Leighton City, on the Stepford Main Line, where services will be seen by Stepford Connect and Stepford Express. Yeah, this station does look a lot like a London Underground station, indeed. It really does. It really does. It just has the vibes of a, like, you got the escalators here that go up to the surface. It's just, yeah, it just reminds me of a London Underground station. Let me know if you agree, but it really does. Anyway, if you want to join my Discord server, the link will be in the description down below. And I guess without further ado, let's get started here at Leighton City.
Stepford Connect service
Arriving
to
now,
Lynn by the
1341.
Sea.
Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the
Calling
Sea.
at Edgemead, Famere, West Coast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea.
Okay, departing now, 1341. Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Next station for that will be Edgemead. Okay, arriving now, 1343. Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern. Should be coming in any moment. I can hear it.
Platform 1 for the 1343 Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern. Calling at Edgemead, Famere, West Coast, Millcastle Racecourse, Millcastle, and West Wyvern. This train has 4 coaches.
Okay, departing now, 1343. Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern. Nice little two-tone from the driver there.
Stepford
Okay, arriving
Connect
now,
service to
1348.
Stepford
Stepford Connect
Central.
service to Stepford Central.
Calling at Layton Stepford Road, Water Newton, Hampton Hargate,
Oh, it
Benton
is a
Bridge,
68. There's
Benton,
also something arriving in
Coxley,
here.
Bowden,
It's a
Angel
train going to
Pass,
Lynn by the Sea.
St Helens Bridge,
I believe this is the
Stepford
1350
East,
Stepford Connect service to
and
Lynn by the Sea.
Stepford Central. This train has 5 coaches.
I believe it is.
Platform 1 for the 1350
Yeah, it
Stepford
is.
Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Edgemead,
Hopefully we can
West
see the
Coast,
707 departing.
Millcastle.
It's departing now to 1350 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. And also departing should be the 1348 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. It's got a guard on it as well. Okay, arriving now to
Calling at
1350 Stepford
Layton
Express
Stepford
service
Road,
to Stepford Central.
Benton, St Helens Bridge, and Stepford Central. This train has 5 coaches.
It sounds like a
First
Voyager.
class is located at the front of this train.
Indeed it is. So 221. In the 10 million visits livery. Okay, departing now to 1350 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central.
Benton.
Okay,
St.
arriving now to
Helens
1351 Stepford
Bridge
Express
and
service to
Stepford
Stepford Central.
This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of this train.
This is also a 221. Oh, he's gonna overshoot. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Okay, departing now to 1351 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central, with a nice little one tone there from the driver.
Stepford Express
Carrying now to
service to
1356
Stepford
Stepford
Central.
Express service to Stepford Central.
Calling at Layton Stepford Road,
Wow, they're all going
Benton,
to
St.
Stepford
Helens
Central, aren't they?
Bridge
Wow.
and Stepford
I think it's an
Central.
800, I think.
This train
Or
has
801
5
even.
coaches. First class is
It is
located
indeed
at the
an
front
801.
of this train.
Okay, departing now to 1356 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. I was about to say it's going to Limb by the Sea. I can't tell which way they're going because we're underground. Yeah, I really can't tell which way they're going.
Calling at
Okay, arriving now to
Leighton
1420
Stepford
Stepford Connect
Road,
service to
Water
Stepford
Newton,
Central.
Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St. Helens
Oh, he's going to
Bridge,
overshot.
Stepford
He's going to
East
overshoot. He
and
overshot.
Stepford Central. This train has 5 coaches.
Okay, arriving
Stepford
now to
Connect service
1420
to
Stepford Connect
Limb
service
by the
to Limb by
Sea.
the Sea.
Calling at Edgemead, Famere, West Coast, Milcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Limb
Also
by the Sea.
departing.
This train has 5 coaches.
Actually, it's not really departing yet, so. Okay, 2 trains departing now. The 1420 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central, and the 1420 Stepford Connect service to Limb by the Sea. Also, there should be an express train coming in a moment as well, I think.
The train now approaching platform 2
It's
does not
passing
stop
through.
here. Please stand back from the platform
There's
edge.
an express train passing through now. It's an 801. Got another express train, I think, arriving in, I don't know.
Platform 1 for the
Yeah, we got
1421
the 1421 Stepford Express service to
Limb by the Sea.
And also passing through is an express train going
West
to
Wyvern,
Stepford Central.
North Shore, and Limb by the Sea. This train has 5 coaches. First class is located.
It's passing now to the 1421 Stepford Express service to Limb by the Sea. Nice little one tone from the driver.
Stepford Central.
Okay, arriving now to the 1420 something.
Layton Stepford Road,
Stepford
Benton,
Express service
St. Helens Bridge
to Stepford Central.
and Stepford Central.
Is an 801.
This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of this train.
Okay, and for some reason now it's departing. As soon as I stopped recording, it closed its doors for some reason. That was weird. Did you hear that? As soon, like literally before I stopped recording, could you hear the beeping of the closing doors because I think I caught it. That was weird because usually a train stays in the station for 20 seconds. That was like 2 seconds, wasn't it? That was weird. But there they go. Passing through, we have another express
The
train.
train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
It's another 801. Oh. That was a weird one tone there. Probably because my game is really slow.
Stepford Connect
Carrying
service
to
to
1430.
Layton Stepford
Connect
Road.
service to Layton Stepford
Calling
Road.
at Layton Stepford Road only. This train has 5 coaches.
It's a class 730. I feel like Express should do Leighton Stepford Road to Lynn by the Sea. Makes sense, and it's possible, I think.
Does not stop
You're passing
here.
through, here's an express
Please
train
stand back from the
going to Lynn
platform
by the
edge.
Sea. Sorry about the late start there, guys. I didn't know it was that close. I usually just wait for the announcement, so I wasn't expecting it to be that close. Nor for it to go that quick. It's usually a 75-mile-an-hour limit going through here, but I guess people just ignore the speed limit because, yeah. Get departed now. It's the 1430 Stepford Connect service to Layton Stepford Road. We'll probably see that come back the other way and go back to Lynn by the Sea.
Hampton Hargate,
Arriving now, the
Benton Bridge,
1432 Stepford Connect
Benton,
service
Coxley,
to
Bowden,
Stepford Central.
Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. This train has 5 coaches. Platform 1 for the
And arriving in now,
1432
1432
Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Edgemead, Famere, West Coast, Milcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train has 4 coaches. Your attention, please.
Oh, okay.
The
I was going to say,
1432
departing now is the
Stepford Connect
1432
service
Stepford Connect service to
Stepford Central has been cancelled.
But it got cancelled.
This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.
Well, okay. Kids departing now, the 1432 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea.
Your attention, please.
Okay, so as that train pulls out, I'm going to end the video here from Leighton City. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications if you do enjoy my content. Leighton City's a nice station. I do like the lights that they put in between the tracks. I think that makes it just a little bit extra there. Makes it look extra lovely, this station. I want to shout out a few people who wanted to be featured in this video. I want to give a shout out to this guy who's stretching, I think. David Man, David Man underscore 2010. I want to shout you out for being in this video. There was another person here, but they're not here at the moment. I don't know where they are. But I'm going to shout out this guy for wanting to be in the video. I do shout out people who want to come into the video. So yeah, shout out to this guy. Oh, he's waving goodbye. He's waving goodbye. I don't know if he's saying hello to me or waving goodbye to the video. Let's pretend he's waving goodbye to the video. So yeah, next station I'll be doing is from Edgemead. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you for that. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the description. And I guess I will see you in the next video.